y'all see that?
Yes.
Okay, so first thing I'm going to ask you guys, do you know what greater than, less than, equal? Do you know which one is greater than, which one is less than, which one is equal to?
Yes.
Yeah. Explain to me, what is less than, what is greater than?
The first one is less than, and the second one is greater than, and the last one is equal to.
So why would you say this is less than and that one is greater than?
Because I know they are.
If I haven't put any numbers on either side, how
Oh.
could you tell if I was talking about
The
less than?
symbol means less than.
So I'm gonna give you a couple numbers. We all know about decimals, fractions, things of that nature. So if I gave you 4.50 and 6.35, which one would you say is bigger? 6.5. So you have 6.35 is bigger than 4.50. So you would say 6 is bigger than 4, right? So therefore you would say 6 is greater than or less than or equal to 4. Greater than. So if I said greater than, would I be doing this right if I said 4.5 is greater than?
No.
That's not right? Okay. Does it look correct? Okay, so I have 6.35 is greater than 4.50. I know 6.35 is greater than 4.50 by the way the mouth opens. Remember the Gator Man? So if I say greater than, I'm gonna the greater than sign is always gonna get eaten. The greater part of the bigger number is always gonna be eaten. So that was pretty simple. So I'm gonna throw fractions in. Everyone hates fractions, so I'm gonna throw some fractions in. So if I say 1.5 is less than, greater than, or equal to 2/3, what would you say?
2/3 is greater than 1/5.
You do? So you know 2/3 is greater than 1/5. How do you know?
If you like converted into decimals, so 2/3 is greater than.
Okay. So if you don't have a calculator, do you not convert to decimal?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah,
I know.
2/3 is greater than 1/5. All right. So 5.33 is greater than or equal to 5.33.
Equal to.
Equal to.
Good job, class.
Good job, Joe.
All right. So we understand that less than, less than, greater than, equal to, and whatever is the bigger number is going to get eaten by the way of the mouth. So I can write that, I can switch it around, and I would just say 6.35 is greater than 4.50. But the important thing to know is that, of course, the open hand is going to be what grabs the big number. Understand? So when everyone get out a sheet of paper, I'm going to give you guys a couple numbers. I want you to tell me if it's greater than, equal to, or less than. I'm going to give you guys a few minutes to do that.
Can you read them out loud?
Okay. For number one, I have 2.463 and 2.461. In here, I want you to fill in what is greater than, less than, or equal to. Number two, I have 14.599 and 14.500. Number three, I have 125.900 and 125.901. And number four, I have 0.09 and 0.000. Does anyone need any help on as far as labeling place values? I don't see any head shaking. Two, Drew? All right, you guys finished? Who wants to come and try number one?
Me.
I want you to explain to me why you chose what you chose and how did you know?
Okay. Is that right? 2.463 is greater than 2.461, right? Because you have a 3 on the end here and a 1 over here. So this one's bigger. So the mouth opens this way.
Pretty good, Sean.
Volunteers for number two?
On to number 2.
Can you see everything, Amelia?
Okay, it's 14.599 is greater than 14.500 because 99 is greater than, and they're the same. So it's open to the bigger number.
Number three?
Go, Drew.
You'll take number four?
I'll do it.
Yeah, you want to explain it?
Because you have a 1 on the end and 1.
901 is bigger than 900, so. Okay. So why would 0.09 be greater than 0.0009?
Because in the second decimal place over here, 9 is greater.
But it's like more place, there's more placeholders, though. Why wouldn't you?
But if you can fill in the rest of the decimal point, that there's going to be 0.0900, which is greater.
Okay. Well, class, that was just a little mini capture of using greater than, less than, or equal to. Tomorrow, or right now for homework, when you pass out you guys homework, it's going to be due tomorrow. We're going to do a homework check. But tomorrow we're going to start using inequalities, greater than or equal to, which would be a greater than sign with that up under, which just means it's greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. I'll go into more details tomorrow. You guys have a nice day. The bell's gonna ring.